What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. Now today I'm bringing you my choice for cigar of the week this week, which is the Inka Secret Blend Red Petit Corona. Now this cigar contains 100% Peruvian tobacco, and that gives you a really unique flavour profile. There's woody notes, there's a tanginess, there's a real nice sweetness that's just dancing around on the lips, and it's a secret blend because only we know the blend. Mitchell Orchant himself worked on this blend for well over 2 years to perfect it for the UK palate. That means we're able to bring it to you for an unbelievably low price. If I was you, definitely pick up some of these. They're a must-have for any quick smokes, anything that you just want to have sitting in your humidor that you know you can always go to every single time, and it's going to be consistent, it's going to be pleasurable, and it's going to be the best bang for your buck. Head over to the website now, it's cigars.com, that's cigars.com, and if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later on. Peace.